In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert column in Excel. Start by opening your Excel spreadsheet so you can see the worksheet where you want to make the change. Once the file is open, look across the very top of the grid. This is where you will see the column letter headers, such as A, B, C, and so on. These letters identify each column and help you choose the exact location where the new blank column should be added. Next, find the column where you want the new column to appear. This part is important because Excel inserts the new column to the left of the column you select. For example, if you want to place a blank column between columns B and C, you should click on the letter C at the top. That tells Excel to insert a new column just before column C, which creates space between the two existing columns. When you have found the correct column, click directly on the letter at the top of that column. You should see the entire column become highlighted. This confirms that Excel recognizes the full column as your selection, not just a single cell. Selecting the full column is what allows the insert option to work the way you expect. After the column is highlighted, right-click on the column letter. This will open a small context menu with several options related to that column. In that menu, click Insert. As soon as you do that, Excel will add a new blank column to the left of the column you selected. You will also notice that the existing columns shift to the right to make room. This means your data stays in place relative to the worksheet, while Excel creates a clean new space for additional information. If you are working with a table or organized dataset, this can be a quick way to add room for new labels, numbers, or notes without manually moving anything yourself. Take a moment to confirm that the new column appears where you wanted it. If it does, then the process is complete. This method is simple, fast, and useful anytime you need to expand your spreadsheet layout. That covers everything you need to know.